हेलो एवरीवन, दिस इज परेश देसाई फ्रॉम संकर पेरी वेंचर। आज हम देखने वाले हैं कि इंट्राडे ट्रेड के लिए आप ऑप्शंस में कैसे ट्रेड कर सकते हो। सो टुडे विल बी टेकिंग एग्जांपल ऑफ रिलायंस इंडस्ट्रीज और ये आज का फ्रेश ट्रेड है, इट्स अ लाइव ट्रेड एंड लेट अस सी हाउ द ट्रेड हैज टू बी टेकन। दिस वीडियो आई एम मेकिंग बिकॉज मैंने देखा है कि काफी बार जो ऑप्शंस में लोग ट्रेड करते हैं वो गलत जगह पे बाय करते हैं और गलत जगह पे सेल करते हैं। एग्जैक्टली ऑपोजिट इज बीइंग डन। So let us analyze and see that where exactly to buy based on the technical analysis. So if you find this video useful, do subscribe to this and you can share it with your friends and like it and also comment below it how you liked it. और अगर आपके कुछ suggestions है तो you can put some suggestions also on below this. So let us start by analyzing the charts and see where exactly you can execute the options trade for intraday. The chart which you see here is a Reliance Industries chart. और अगर मैं इसका थोड़ा सा एक बेसिक एनालिसिस अगर करूं तो यहाँ पर एक ट्रेंड लाइन ब्रेकआउट हो गया है आज, राइट? एंड आफ्टर द ट्रेंड लाइन ब्रेकआउट व्हाट आई सी इज के टुडे इट हैज गैप्ड अप, राइट? तो एक 15 मिनट में जो भी इंट्राडे का अपना जो कैंडलस्टिक है उस पे चलते हैं। सो फॉर इंट्राडे व्हाट आई सी इज दैट इट हैज गैप्ड अप इन 15 मिनट्स। Okay, so if it is gapped up, there's a small gap here and the price is shot up. Now there is a normal impulse, human tendency होता है कि चलो ऊपर गया तो there's a fear of missing out, FOMO as we know, right? कि यहाँ से और ऊपर जाएगा, चलो let me buy. But you have to little control yourself and not to buy here. That's very important क्योंकि अगर यहाँ पर अगर खरीदते हो, this is not the good time to buy. 90-95% of the times you'll find that the price does come back to from where it has started. Okay, और यही हुआ जिसका डर था, right? So one big candle in 15 minutes and then afterwards what is happening is that can you see that the price is coming down, ठीक है? और यहाँ पर the price closed this gap. So at 11:45 candle जो last candle है यहाँ पर दिख रही है, it has closed this gap. तो ये gap close होने के बाद what do you see that there is a nice green candle and basically what you understand कि यहाँ पर एक support लिया हुआ है, ठीक है? So now let us go and analyze on the option chart that what is a good time to buy. So obviously as I said, don't chase the market or especially in options अगर आप जाते हो तो options में volatility बहुत होती है, the profits can be huge, but at the same time you want to get a very good entry and not lose out initially. So intraday में अगर आपको entry लेना है, so this is one of the classic entries where most of the times when you find that there's a breakout and then there's a very big green candle और उसके बाद में जब भी आपको एक support के पास मिलता है, or it could be in some other cases there could be a good candlestick pattern also and there you can enter. So this is one concept where you are entering at the support of the gap. तो gap का support यहाँ पर आपको मिल गया, right? Now I'm going back on the chart for the 2100 call for Reliance. So 2100 Reliance का अगर हम call देखते हैं for today, then this is the chart for 2100 Reliance call on the Zerodha platform, ठीक है? तो if you see here, this is also I'm going on the 15 minute candle. तो 15 मिनट कैंडल में अगर हम देखते हैं यहाँ पर एक this was the first candle for the day, right? Can you see this was 9th at the bottom, can you see over here 4th August 9:15 candle was the first candle and it shot up from 40 rupees to 50 rupees in just first 15 minutes. उसके बाद में क्या हो रहा है कि as the price came down, the option price also started coming down, right? And when to enter, okay, यहाँ पर option chart देख के आपको एंट्री नहीं करना है. You have to enter by looking at the candlestick charts on the normal candlestick, not on the option chart. क्योंकि option charts में volatility होती है. You don't try to analyze on the option chart. The analysis has to be on the investing.com, which is or any other platform where you can analyze the charts. And I'm going to show you at 11. This is the candle for 11:15 and this is the last candle 11:30. Okay, right? So 11:30 or 11:45. So यहाँ पर जब 11:45 का कैंडल था, can you see this was the 11:45 candle? 11:45 candle, this was the lowest and it filled up the gap. तो यहाँ पर जब gap fill हो गया था at the 11:45 candle, this was the lowest time where you can buy the options. So rather than buying somewhere over here at 40, 45 or even 50, people would buy at a highest price, and when it comes here यहाँ पर बेच देते हैं, which is like 90% of the mistakes, 90% of the people who make mistakes in options and in many cases in even in the equity too. जहाँ पर एंट्री नहीं करना वहां पर एंट्री करते हैं, जहाँ पर एग्जिट करना है वहां पर एक्चुअली एंट्री करना चाहिए था, right? So what we find is that if you understand when to buy the options, you will not make the mistakes and you will get perfect entries. So the perfect entry would have been here, and आपका stop loss भी बहुत छोटा सा हो जाता है, yes or no? The stop loss would be the low of this candle, which is just 35 rupees. तो यहाँ पर next candle में भी अगर आप लेते हो on even a little smaller time frame, and you find that your stop loss is just 4 rupees, right? And from here to here, even if you go on your reward risk ratio of 3:1, easily 3.2.75 या 3 के ratio में आराम से बैठ सकता है, right? So then after this, what you see that the price has started going up, right? अभी now it is at 40.60, 41.6, and if you see now this is the current price which is at just 1 o'clock, but your target would still be this, okay? Now how to remain in the trade is also another question, कि trade में कभी तक रहना है? So one thing would be to, let's say if the trend changes from here, तो exit कभी करना है, because I don't know whether it's going to reach here or not, ठीक है? तो एक exit criteria आप रख सकते हो कि 15 मिनट में 2 candles closing below 5 EMA. अगर 2 candles 5 EMA के नीचे close हो जाती है, then you can exit, because these are options. अगर ये futures होता था तो अलग बात होती है. Futures there is no concept of time value. So अगर futures है तो you can still wait, but options you have to be very quick, right? It is like guerrilla tactics. Yes. So guerrilla tactics में आपको quick entry लेना है और quick exit भी लेना है. And this is especially I'm telling you about intraday trades. तो intraday में यहाँ पर ले लिया when the price is what around 35, and when it reaches around 45, 49, 50, you can exit from this trade and you can take that 15 rupees profit for the intraday. अच्छा, यहाँ से भी अगर आगे जाता है, you can very well trail your stop loss and take even more also, depending upon how bullish the stock is on this particular day. अच्छा, for those of you who would like to continue on this and अगर आप सोचते हो कि चलो मेरा इतना profit हो गया, now I want to go for even higher, let's say अभी तो expiry के लिए बहुत time है, today is just on 4th of August and expiry is somewhere around end of the August, so काफी कम से कम एक 20-22 दिन अगर है और आपको इसको अगर आगे भी लेके जाना है and you want probably more returns from this, so you can still consider that. And once it reaches here at the top, right, you can trail your stop loss or on the basis of a little higher time frame. Okay, so that will be again coming back to the drawing board and deciding that what is your next next target. तो उसके लिए थोड़ा आपको वापस you have to again come back to as I said drawing board and then analyze on the basis of daily chart. तो अगर आपने देखा कि चलो यहाँ पर भी एक मान लो एक अच्छा ग्रीन कैंडल आ गया है, I don't know where it's going to end today, whether it's going to end up or it's going to even come below this, that we don't know. So अपना stop loss we already decided, but the other part is till when should I continue? That is the next question, right? कि चलो stop loss trade नहीं हुआ, profit में भी हूँ मैं, लेकिन अभी exit करूँ या नहीं करूँ? So इसके लिए एक क्राइटेरिया ऐसा हो सकता है कि अगर प्राइस ये कैंडल ऊपर जाती है तो you can have a trailing stop loss. ओके, सेम थिंग जो हमने 15 मिनट्स में किया था वो 1 आवर पे कर सकते हो. 1 आवर के बाद और प्रॉफिट हो जाता है तो आप डेली पे भी 5 EMA पे कर सकते हो. ओके, ऑल्दो दिस इज 9 AM बट आई हैव टेकन इट एज दिस इज द 5 EMA ओनली. तो 5 EMA के ऊपर अगर रहता है तो दैट कैन बी योर क्राइटेरिया फॉर स्टेइंग इन द ट्रेड. सो दैट्स आल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, क्योंकि काफी बार क्या होता है कि आपने मान लो 100% भी अगर प्रॉफिट कर लिया, okay, for example you might have bought it at 35 36 and you exit at 70 और बाद में पता चलता है कि अरे 70 में क्यों मैं exit किया, the price after that has gone to 140 also. तो to save yourself from that grief, एक अगर आपको if you want to continue, that could be another good strategy, that you go on little higher time frame and see whether the price is closing below 5 EMA, which is just one of the exit criteria. बाकी दूसरे भी exit criteria बहुत है, लेकिन एक क्राइटेरिया, एक सिंपल क्राइटेरिया जो होता है 5 EMA का, उसके बेसिस पे आप अगर एग्जिट लेते हो तो भी चलेगा, क्योंकि बाय दैट टाइम व्हाट विल हैपन कि काफी आप तो आपका प्रॉफिट भी हो गया है, एंड देन यू वांट टू फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल protect the profit, and at the same time you don't want to miss out on any further increase in the price also. Hope you have liked this video and it was of use to you. कहाँ पर options buy करना चाहिए और कहाँ पे sell करना चाहिए, इसका एक आपको अच्छा आइडिया आ गया रहेगा, ऐसे मैं मानता हूँ. और if you want more of these type of videos, please you can put it on the comments, you can like this and share it also with your friends. And there are certain links which are given for the other programs or joining my groups which you might find it useful. तो अगर आपको दूसरे ग्रुप्स ज्वाइन करना है या मेरे कम्युनिटी ग्रुप ज्वाइन करना है तो you can go in the description box below and join those groups. So thank you once again for watching this video. This is Paresh Ram Desai, Chartered Accountant from Sankalp Adventure. Have a great day. Bye.